Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Atlantis World. Ngayon guys, tayo ay mag-aayos dahil tayo ay pupunta ng palengke. Nandito pala ako sa CR guys, and don't mind the stick here guys. Yeah, punta tayo ng palengke at mamalengke pero medyo may kalayo ng palengke. So, magbabas tayo guys. Before anything else guys, bago tayo pupunta ng market, magbe-breakfast tayo. Meron ako butter at saka bread and milk tea. Yeah, guys. Parang hindi tayo gugutomin, guys. O, diba? Yes, guys. I'm ready to go out. Going to the market. And my outfit for today is in okay lang yan, guys. Kasi cannot afford naman to buy super expensive clothes. So, okay lang yan. So, let's go, guys. Yan siya guys, lalabas na ako dito sa apartment na aming tinitirahan guys. Yan. And I-check ko muna guys kung nandito yung aking key. Baka naman ay wala pati tayo. Okay, makakapasok mamaya. So, nandito guys. Yan. Pag-close na natin. Guys, I'm in the 10th floor. Yan. Saka mag-lift tayo. Yan siya guys. Diba? Dito tayo kasi nababa na siya. Kasi year end 21 na 15 na. So, yeah. Nag-stop pa siya. Tagal. Yung nga ay nasa 43 floor. Itong building na to. Kaya, yan, may apat siya na pinto, door, or apartment. So, guys, nandito na tayo. Yay! Here now. Dali. Guys, close na. Hello guys, dito na ako sa baba. Yan guys. Ito yung first floor. Para siyang hotel guys na. Dito ako sa clubhouse. Dumaan sa second floor. Actually, may ground floor. Kaso dito ako dumaan kasi nandun yung bus. Kasi all the garden guys. Over here. And there you see. Ganda diba? Pupunta tayo ulit sa isang race. Yeah. Look at this guys. Kasi yung ano nila. Ayan. Mooncake Festival. So, may mga decoration dito sa loob, guys. Tingnan nyo sa lobby parang hotel. So, guys, mayroong 3 lift. Ayan. So, dito ako sa gitna ng papunta ng ground floor. So, ground floor ulit, guys. Kanina, sa second floor ako bumaba. And this one is going to ground floor naman, guys. At papunta ako doon sa minibus, guys. Yeah. Punta ako sa minibus kasi mainit. Yeah. Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng mga decoration dito. Down. Saka ayan, guys. Yan. Ganda, diba? And labas na ako dito, guys. Hello. Yan, pagbubuksan ka talaga ni Apa. Pagbubuksan ka talaga niya. Kaya yan. Nag-walking na tayo dito sa labas, guys. If you can see outside in our buildings, sa kanilang buildings doon, guys, sa aming tinitirhan. You can see, may mga construction. And all over here, guys, look, the buildings. Yeah. Back-to-back buildings. Tsaka yung floor nila, guys, tingnan nyo. Parang sahig na natin sa bahay. Pag gumagawa tayo ng bahay, diba? So, yan na siya, guys. So, yan. Buildings everywhere. Buildings everywhere. Tataas ng mga buildings. Kami, guys, nasa 42th floor. So, dito tayo mag-aantay ng school bus. Tingnan nyo. Tapos school. Hindi ako maliligaw dito kasi may school. Pag sinabi ko sa taxi driver na dito ako sa school na to. And this one, the stop bus. Yeah. Yes guys, nakababa na po ako sa minibus. We're going to MTR train. So guys, ito yung bus station dito. May bus station din dito sa... So guys, may bus station din dito guys. We're going to airport. Yan. Talagang bus station dito sa baba ng MTR or may mall kasi doon and mga bikes dito guys. Yung pinaparking ng mga may-ari dito. Mga residente. Yan. Yeah. We're going upstairs. And tingnan nyo guys. Oh, diba? Yan. And now guys, papasok na ako ng train. Pero bago ng lahat, mag-ano muna ako guys. Mag-top up ng money for my card. Kasi wala siyang laman. Yeah, I'm going to 7-Eleven. At magta-top up ako ng aking card for fare train. Ganun dito guys. Pwede rin coins. Magkuha ka doon. Pero actually guys, lahat ng ginagamit ng mga tao dito is card now. Na, nandito na ako. Hello. At we're going to top up the money inside my card. Yeah, only $50 for octopus. And dito natin guys ito-top up. So, it's okay now guys. And pasok na po ako guys for the train. And dito guys, yeah, nag-top up na ako guys. And you see, always mind your step. Marami ng tao and are waiting for the train, for the next train. Yeah, waiting for, I don't know in how many minutes pa ako mag-aantay. Yeah. Yan. Dalawang platform siya guys. One platform here and second one is the platform here. This is the last station of the train here in Hong Kong, in Luas Park, I mean. Yeah. So like that guys. Madaming tao. At ito yung map niya guys. Many people over here. Yan guys. So guys, dito sa MTR may babala talaga siya. And there's CCTV, no eating, no smoking. Yeah. That's the role of MTR. Pero pag nahuhuli kayo dito guys, mayroon kayong penalty. Kulong. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kulong ba or something like punishment. You have something like yeah, penalty. So ano talaga sila sa batas dito guys, mahigpit. Yan guys. Like, yun na guys, we're going to inside the train now. But palalabasin muna natin ang mga tao bago tayo papasok. Yan na guys. Abangan pa ninyo yung mga market natin mamaya guys. And I'm here inside now. Guys, may nakita pala ako dito. Nadaanan ko dito sa labas ng mall ng TKO. Ang ganda guys, diba? Moon and Star. Wow. Look at that guys. 74 of founding of yeah, this celebration. Yeah, there are so many people walking over here in the footbridge. They were going to market, and someone were going to mall. So look at that guys. Bundok. Buildings everywhere here in Hong Kong. And so this is the beautiful place. Yeah, city. Of course, hindi ko rin ipagpapalit yung Pilipinas. Bayan natin Pilipinas. Yan guys, papasok na tayo ng mall. Kasi ang market dito, yung wet market, is inside the mall. Yeah! Inside the mall guys. Wow! Ang sarap guys kasi aircon. Na big mall also here in TPO spot. And we're going to downstairs because the market is over there guys. Yeah. Escalator everywhere. Yan. So, another escalator. So, that's where we're going downstairs. May mga shops dito guys and everywhere shops. Yeah. So, yan, may mga booth sila guys na maliliit for buying some goods. Yeah. Another escalator. Look at that guys. It's so nice. You see that guys? They have a different variety of vegetables. Yan. Ang pe-press ko, no? Pero may kamahalan dito guys inside the supermarket kasi magandang talagang supermarket nila. The aircon pa. Kaya siguro ganun. Yan. You buy radish. Yeah, laki ng radish nila guys. And something like I buy vegetable. What, can I have one kati? Yes. Yeah. It's $20 for one kati. Yan guys. And yeah, it's different variety of vegetable over here. Yan siya guys. Tara, malingki na tayo. Ano na tayo. Yan. Tsaka bumili ako ng radish for the soup. Dito mo rin mabibili ang mga frozen meat guys. Look at that guys. Chicken. There's so many. Yeah. Makikita din natin guys, different variety of shells. Dito guys, oh. Ang dami. Yan. Dito lang yan sa TPO spot guys. If you wanted the shells, so many kind of shells. Mayroon siyang lobster, crab. Yeah, many more. Ang dami. Ito na yan siya guys. Dito ako bibili ng shrimp. Different kind of shrimp din guys. Yeah. And abalone, scallop fish. Different kind of fish too. Grabe. Ang laking isa anuhan ng seafoods dito guys. Yan. Guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like sa aking mga kwento-kwento ng buhay OFW here in Hong Kong. Don't forget to thumbs up, share, and yeah, i-hit ninyo ang bell button guys para maka-update pa kayo na many more videos to come. See you for the next one. Bye. Tumatalon siya guys. Kasama ako guys. Ayun na. Tumatalon-talon siya. Thank you. God bless us all. Ayan. We promo. Many more talaga guys. So guys, nakabalik na ako ng bahay. At ito guys ang aking lunch. Tofu. With sugar and what's that? Ginger. Yung binuweld nila ang ginger tapos ginawang parang soup. So inilagay nila dito. Sarap. Ito na guys. Super. Yan.